In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a broken Windows search bar. If your search bar isn't responding when you type, isn't opening at all, or shows no results, don't worry. We'll walk through a few reliable troubleshooting steps you can try on your own, starting with the simplest and working our way up. Follow along, pause if you need to, and try each method in order until your search starts working again. First, try restarting the Windows search process. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If it opens in a compact view, click More Details at the bottom. Now look for a process called searchhost.x or search. Select it, then click End Task in the bottom right corner. Windows will usually restart this process automatically within a few seconds. After it restarts, click the search bar and try typing again to see if it's working. If that doesn't help, the next step is to restart the Windows Explorer process, which controls much of the desktop interface. In Task Manager, go to the Processes tab and find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. Your taskbar and desktop icons may disappear briefly and then come back. Once everything reloads, test the search bar again. Next, use the built-in Search and Indexing Troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and fix some common issues. Click the Start button, then open Settings. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, and then Other Troubleshooters, or in some versions, Additional Troubleshooters. Look for Search and Indexing, click it, and then click Run. A window will appear asking what problems you're experiencing. Check the options that match your issue, like Files don't appear in search results, then click Next and follow the prompts. When it finishes, test the search bar once more. If you're still having trouble, try rebuilding the search index. This can take some time, but it often resolves deeper issues. Open the Start menu and type Indexing Options, then open it from the results. In the window that appears, click Advanced. If you're prompted for permission, confirm it. Under the Index Settings tab, find the Troubleshooting section and click Rebuild. Windows will warn you that this might take a while. Click OK to continue. You can keep using your computer while the index rebuilds, but search results may be incomplete until it finishes. After the rebuild completes, give your computer a quick restart and test the search bar again. In many cases, one of these methods will get Windows Search working properly without needing a full system reset or reinstall.